Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see how we can use the Selenium tool for testing the web application. And in this video, I will give the step-by-step procedure from Java installation. And after completing Java installation, we will go with Eclipse, it is your IDE for running your testing for running your web application, and finally we will import all the jar files in- of Selenium, and how we will see a simple example how we can test a simple application, web application. So first, I will start with Java installation. Since in my system, I hope everyone knows the installation of Java. So in my system, I'm just checking the version of Java with the command Java hyphen hyphen space hyphen hyphen version, and it will return the latest Java which I have installed in my systems. Next, I will go and install Eclipse. For the time in Google, I'm giving, sorry, it's Yahoo browser, Yahoo search engine. So I'm giving Eclipse downloads. It will take me to the official Eclipse page, and here you can see the it is for both for 64-bit and 86-bit. So you can download here, and I'm clicking the download, and the file will get downloaded. After downloading, you can start your installation by clicking the next steps. So I'll get downloads. In downloads it will get saved. I'm downloading it. In order to keep it everything together, I'm creating a folder in the name Selenium. I'm saving my downloads inside that. The download got completed. I'm closing the browser, and again I'm going with the next download, that is Selenium, required jar files for Selenium. Okay, Selenium download I will get, and the official Selenium website will get open. There you can download all the four versions. As you know, while studying basics, you might have studied about four different Selenium tools for server, for IDE, and for client and WebDriver. You can see. So download all the files which I am downloading here. Actually, this is not recommended. This is not this final ID is not needed. So you can skip that part. Once the download completes, I am exiting all my windows, and now I am downloading all the required drivers for each and every browser. First, I will start with Chrome driver. So while doing this, you have to keep one thing in mind. So in like any kind of drivers versions, you cannot download. You have to check your current browser's version. For that, you need to click that three dots over your Chrome browser, and you go to Help tab, and in that you can see about Google Chrome. It will display the version that is being loaded in your Chrome. So it is better to download the version lesser than that. Okay, here you can see all the version, all the Chrome drivers for each and every OS. It is available here. So mine is Windows. So Windows has only one for 64-bit or 86 or 32. It has only one driver, one file. So you can download that. So you can see here, the version I got in my Chrome is 65. So I'm downloading so 178. So I'm downloading the lower version than that. This is 77. So that I'm downloading this file. Likewise, next I will download for Edge driver. So like how we checked for Chrome, for Edge also you check the version which is 110, higher and low, first and last two digits prefix and suffix you check 110 and 63. The version should start with 110 and 63, but here Edge will have stable channel for that supports all the browsers that you can go with, which is 64-bit. I'm going with Windows 64, 64-bit processor. I didn't try with Gecko, which is Firefox driver. You take it as a practice and do it by your own. Now I will extract all the files, and I will install Eclipse first. So I'm extracting Chrome driver, and also I'm extracting Edge driver, and I extract IDE, Selenium IDE, and then Selenium Java jar files related jar. And the server is outside, it is available. Selenium server is by default it is available outside, so I'm keeping as it is. So now I am proceeding with Eclipse installer, in which I am installing the Eclipse IDE. So I am developing Java, so I am giving it as Java. Simple accept now. It will take little time to get installed, so be patient. So meanwhile, while it gets installed, so many videos is being available in the YouTube. You can refer that. But while I was installing, I was facing the difficulties like that about Chrome version and Edge version will not be checked. Only in one video they have checked and rectified this error, because while I run execute the programs with random drivers, I got an compatibility error and many errors I got. Then while checking the errors, I come to know that the driver I downloaded and the existing browser not matched. So that is the one thing that you need to note in my video. Okay, so you can check before checking downloading the Chrome driver. You can check with the version of the Chrome you have or version of the Edge you have. Then you do download the corresponding driver. That is one thing. And second thing, I will tell when the video proceeds. Since I have Java 19, some Chrome drivers will not support and some Selenium packages will not support Java 19. So that you need to change it to the earlier version of Java. Then some compatibility errors will get rectified. Okay, these two things you have to focus majorly in my particular video. Yes, in my video particularly. Okay, in that factor, my video will be helpful for you when compared to others. First thing is you have to check the Chrome version before downloading the Chrome driver, and second thing is you have to check the version of Java. So I'm installing that. I installed that, and I'm opening it for first time. So welcome message will be there. You just close that and you go with create Java project. Create Java project and give your project name. Actually, it is saying that capital caps letter should not be encouraged while creating a project name. So you can start it with small letter. That is not an issue. Then you can see a Java related files in JRE system library, and another file will get opened, that is your source file. Okay. So then right click your project and create new class. Give your class name. Sorry, I have so I didn't create a package first. You can create a package, and inside that package you can keep your Java class. Okay, since this is for a Chrome browser, I'm testing any application that should be that I am going to test. I'm launching it in Chrome browser. That's why first task is to open the Chrome browser with the help of Selenium. So that is the first task for each and every applications you are going to test. The first and foremost step is to open a browser, whatever the browser may be. It may be a Chrome browser, Edge browser, and then Opera, and then or Firefox, any browser it may be. For to test a web application, you need to open the that particular application in any one of the browser. That is the first task we are going to do here. So that's why I'm naming it as Chrome for my remembrance purpose. Then I'm going to import all the library jar files into my project first. So the first line to open a browser that I am typing system dot set property, it will be there. Set property, and it will have two arguments. One is the driver which we are going to call and the path where we will have that driver. Second parameter will be path we will have that particular driver. That path we need to give there. So that I will copy. I have it over here. I'm copying that and I'm pasting inside my project. It will be placed under source folder. Okay, now I'm copying the path, particular path where that file actually resides, and I'm pasting there as a second argument. Okay, then I'm creating an object. See, now you can see the web driver, it is not displaying any auto suggestion, but once I link all the jar files, it will, you can see the changes under class path. You have to add external jars, and my jar files are available under the downloads under the packet selenium. Okay, you need to select all the jar files lying outside. And I forgot to delete that zip file. You just delete it and select all the files. And again, still some more jar files are residing under the folder lib. You just go back to class path, click class path, add external jars, get inside the lib folder, and you can see some more jar files are there. Select all and give open. Now apply and close. I was searching for server, but it is there, so no need to worry about it. You can continue. So what I'm doing is changing that particular file Java version. Sorry for the delay. So now you can see here, if I give space bar, control space bar, it will auto suggest that web driver. Okay. So next you can see here, you are importing that Chrome driver. I'm just typing simply C, and you will see it will auto suggest. Control space you can use. Control space if you give, it will suggest the related methods. Now I created a Chrome driver that will import that particular drive, that particular browser, and then I'm create the with the help of the driver object, I'm and using get method, I'm using one in order to make it a correct. I can type google.com, but I, and since I need exact type, exact address, I'm copying it from browser. Okay, so I'm pasting a link over there, and I'm just executing my first program. So now it will get executed. So here only I faced an difficulty since I have, after reading that error, I come to know that Java latest version is not being supported by this Selenium jar files. So I'm just changing, going to build path, right click build path, configure build path. I'm going and then clicking that JRE system library and making it edit by giving edit and making it to a lesser version, which is 1.7, and apply and close. Now the error got rectified. Okay, this is the one change I told that you need to remember. For the for the error which you are getting, this video will be useful. I told you, when compared to others videos, these two things you can focus in my video. One is um, that Chrome version or browser version you can check and download it accordingly. And the second thing is this one. While you install, after importing all your jar files, and your Java 19 might not be, if you are good enough, it may be supported. But if it shows error or incompatibility error now, you can just change the versions of earlier to Java to earlier version, and you can continue with your execution. So earlier I executed, but I didn't get the output. Now after correcting that or changing into earlier version, I will get the output, which is our first step. I opened Chrome. I opened Chrome browser. In that, what is the website I have given inside the get method, which is google.com, and that is being opened. So this is my first program in testing the web application using Selenium. Thanks for watching.